वो वैन हिल गई नीचे से, ये वैगनार हिलेगी, ये हिल गई खुद ही। क्या पानी,
India continues to sink due to heavy rains that lead to floods. With the arrival of the monsoon in India, floods and natural disasters occur. The floods that accompanied the monsoon greatly increase the devastation of many states. Every year, hundreds of thousands of people become homeless, thousands of houses are destroyed, crops are destroyed on several thousand hectares. Loss of life, flooding of buildings and homes, damage to public health, impact on crops and flood supplies are some of its negative aspects. That is why we explain the economic devastation caused by the floods in the country in the flood period of the 7 decades and try to understand whether the flood is natural disaster or system failure. The monsoon has spread through India from the mountains to the plains, from the city to the forest. In all regions, rain prevails. Farmers are faced with flowers as soon as it rains, but when the rain turns into heavy flooding, it creates problems. Something similar was seen in Kota, Rajasthan, where 6 people were trapped after a heavy severe runoff. Those were severely evacuated late at the night by employees of the Kota Municipal Corporation. On the other, the Saru River has reached dangerous levels in the Barabanki district of Uttar Pradesh. The Manjeera River flooded after heavy rains in the Medak area of Telangana. Uttarakhand, Pithoragarh, innocent children cross the river on the cart every day, facing danger during the flood. The Saru River was reached danger levels in Barabanki district of Uttar Pradesh. The Manjeera River flooded after heavy rains in the Medak area of Telangana. In the increase in extreme events of all continents, according to the scientists, is a direct consequence of the global warming. Subscribe to the channel to be among those who will draw the attention of entire nations to the global climate problems of the planet. One click is your chance to save the planet. Only together we can open the eyes of the world. Save the planet now. Thanks.